Hello everyone, I hope you be well. Today we want to see how to create this dreamy lo-fi pluck sound. Let's go to the track. Or the lo-fi version of these plugs can be obtained by this plugin. Let's listen again. This is a preset from this synth hybrid with this sound. Then a fancy delay plugin named Boys with these settings. Then to this plugin, it's a saturation compression plugin with these settings and gain reduction. We try to make the delays more prominent with this compression after this delay. Then to another compression, just grabbing the peaks. Then to this plugin to make it more wide and make it richer and fuller. Then to this free plugin for Reactor FX. It's a very fun plugin and you can make lo-fi sound with this plugin. It's so fun to just play with these knobs and listen what to each one of these knobs to do. vocal sound. Here I made a low cut, then I dynamically reduced the low mids and mid-range, making room for vocal in mid, in mono, and making the highs on the sides more prominent, so we make this sound even more wider. A panner, you can use these to move your sounds, to make your sound moving and dancing between the ears of the listener, between the speakers, between the headphone speakers. Then it goes to a huge reverb plugin. Then with this plugin we make some space for vocal or another important sound that should be in the center and in focus of the song. And this is what we have after all. And you can make it lo-fi with this plugin. Actually, it slows it down and do something with the pitch of the sound and the pitch and the time of the sound, and makes it like this.